In this video, we are unboxing the brand new DJI LITO X1 and LTO 1, the latest mini drones from DJI. And straight away, we are going to break down exactly what you get inside the box, and more importantly, whether these are actually worth your money. Let's start with the X1, the premium Fly More combo. Right away, you get the signature DJI carry bag. Compact, well-built, and perfect for travel. You also get DJI stickers, documentation, and a full accessory kit. Inside the Fly More combo, you're getting 3 sets of extra propellers, which is always useful for replacements. But one thing you don't want to lose, the DJI screwdriver. You'll need it for changing those props. Then there's the 2-way charging hub. This is a big upgrade. It can charge multiple batteries at once, supports USB-C, and even includes a microSD card storage slot. Battery life is rated around 36 minutes per charge, which is solid for a drone this size. Now let's talk about the controller. You're getting the RC2 controller with the built-in screen. And honestly, this is the version you want. No phone required, no setup hassle, just power on and fly. It also has external antennas for stronger signal and works across multiple DJI drones, making it a long-term investment. Now the real highlight, the X1 drone itself. This is a 249G ultralight drone, meaning no advanced license is required in most regions. It's designed to be portable, pocket-friendly, and still deliver high-end footage. Under the hood, it packs a 1.3-inch sensor, 48 MP photos, 4K 60 HDR video, and even 4K 100 frames per second slow motion. That's serious spec for something this small. One important detail, the camera lens is fixed, so ND filters will likely attach externally. But where things get interesting is safety and intelligence. The X1 features omnidirectional obstacle sensing along with a front-facing LiDAR system. That means it can detect objects more accurately, even in low light, and stop or reroute to avoid collisions. This is a big step up for beginner safety. It also includes 42 GB of internal storage, ActiveTrack 360, dynamic home point, and full vertical shooting support. Now let's switch to the standard LTO 1 version. This is the entry-level model, designed for beginners. It comes with a simpler DJI N3 controller, which requires a phone or tablet to operate. Less convenient, but still very capable. Battery life remains the same at around 36 minutes, and you still get a second battery in the bundle. The design looks almost identical to the X1, just slightly lighter in color. But under the surface, there are key differences. The LTO 1 uses a smaller 1/2-inch sensor, still 48 MP, and still capable of 4K 60. However, it lacks 10-bit D-Log color, internal storage, and LiDAR. It also doesn't have the same low-light obstacle detection system as the X1. So while it's great for beginners, it's clearly the more basic version. One important thing, batteries are not interchangeable with older DJI Mini series drones. So if you already own a Mini 4 or Mini 5, you can't reuse them here. Now the big question, does this replace the DJI Mini 5 Pro? No. The LTO series replaces the older entry-level Mini 3 and Mini 4K models. The Mini 5 Pro still sits above this as a more advanced Pro option. So the lineup now looks clear, entry-level LTO series, and Pro-level Mini series. If you're a beginner, the LTO 1 is more than enough. But if you want future-proof features like better color science, LiDAR, and stronger camera performance, the X1 is the smarter pick. Because once you start flying, those differences will matter more than you think. So now the question is simple. Is this the new standard for beginner drones? Or just the beginning of DJI's next big shift?